Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace oxygen sensor Mitsubishi Lancer step by step. Start by letting the engine cool completely to avoid burns. Put on safety glasses and gloves and chock the wheels. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to protect electronics and clear codes later. Use a jack and stands if needed and confirm the car is stable. Gather the right oxygen sensor socket and penetrating oil for easier removal. Locate the oxygen sensor by checking the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter area. An upstream sensor sits before the catalytic converter and measures raw exhaust. A downstream sensor sits after the converter and monitors its efficiency. Trace the wiring back to the connector and clear any heat shields blocking access. Apply penetrating oil to the sensor threads if they look corroded and let it soak for several minutes before attempting removal. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and enjoy voice control while you work on projects. It keeps your workspace tidy and saves time when grease gets everywhere. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Disconnect the sensor connector and clean the terminal area to ensure a good connection. Use an oxygen sensor socket and breaker bar to remove the old sensor, applying steady force and avoiding sudden jerks. Compare the new sensor to the old unit to confirm fit and heater wiring. Apply anti-seize to the new sensor threads if not pre-coated, then hand thread to avoid cross-threading and torque to factory specification for a proper seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.